This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2018 in Las Vegas. I have with me Michael Heaven from Aurora Solar Technologies. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is ACU on the TSX Venture. Michael, welcome to SNNLive.
Shelley, thank you for having me.
It's good to have you. Now let's get started with a brief overview of the company and then we'll go from there.
So we make measurement and control solutions for the solar industry that has none.
Okay, now what's a brief history of the company?
It was founded in 2009, went public in 2011, and we're in the process of significant revenue growth and traction in the industry as yields are really critical to profitability in the industry.
What's the size of this market, Michael?
It's about a $260 million opportunity for the company, and we've only penetrated that opportunity about 7%.
Is this technology patented?
We have patents around the world. We also have secret sauce baked into the product because we know patents alone are not enough to protect the solution. And today we're the only game in town, so we're very sensitive to the competitive aspect and the protection of that.
Which leads into my next question. Tell me about competition.
We had a competitor that essentially has exited the business because they really could not compete with us. And today, the only real competition for the product is manual sampling of a very small percentage of the production. So we measure 100%, we control the process, and eliminate downgrades and margin eroding losses.
Tell me, how does it work?
It's like shining an infrared light on the wafers after they've been electrically activated. You can't connect them electrically. All you can do is it's a piece of silicon, but it's electrically active, so we shine infrared on it and we collect what comes off the cell, and from that we know whether it's a good cell or a bad cell, and we can make adjustments to the process.
What's your background?
I was in process control and automation for 25 years with a company called MeasureX that was bought by Honeywell for $600 million in 1997, so I'm very experienced with infrared measurement and control of processes.
From what you could tell us, what are some growth drivers?
The main growth driver is the significant reduction in the cost of a solar panel, from $3.50 a watt down to less than 30 cents a watt. And that has really squeezed out any of the profits in the industry. So it's so critical that you get your yield on target and you control it. And this industry really just grew up with subsidies, and now it doesn't have those. And as a result, to compete, you must have inline measurement and control.
Michael, let's get your website out for more information for our investor audience, if you would.
Our website is aurorasolartech.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Heaven, Aurora Solar Technologies. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is ACU on the TSX-V. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2018 here in Las Vegas. Michael, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you very much.